today. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So, I have some cards. Yes, you can see here, I have a small book. Yes, and we are going to learn about letters. Okay, let's start. A is for alligator. A is for alligator. B is for bear. B is for bear. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for Donald. D is for Donald. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. F is for flamingo. G is for goofy. G is for goofy. H is for horse. H is for horse. I is for insect. I is for insect. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. K is for koala. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for Micky. M is for Micky. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. P is for Pluto. P is for Pluto. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. S is for snake. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. W is for walrus. W is for walrus. X is for zim. X is for zim. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Now you need to revise these letters again and again. I will see you soon with the next video. Till then, bye-bye.